In simplifying this problem, I'm going to start by multiplying everything by 2, everything by a factor of 2. This will give me a similar equation, an equivalent equation. So 2 times 1/2 is just 1, so I end up with y plus 6 equals 6y minus 4. It's a little simpler for me to deal with. With that, I'm going to simplify this by combining like terms. Subtract 6 from both sides. I have y equals 6y minus 10. I am going to subtract 6y from both sides. This gives me a negative 5y equals negative 10. Divide by negative 5 on both sides. Y equals 2. I'm going to begin this problem by subtracting y from both sides, leaving me a negative 1/3 times the quantity of y plus 1 equals just 2. With this, I'm now going to multiply this entire equation by a negative 3. So, in doing so, this variable here, this constant, will become 1 times y plus 1, and then I have to multiply this side, and that equals a negative 6. So now I just have y plus 1 equals a negative 6. Subtract 1 from both sides. I have y equals negative 7. I'm going to begin by distributing in this problem. So 3y minus 1. I'm still going to have a 2y minus 1, and now I'll have a 3y minus 3. I still have plus 1/5 y. I want to bring this 3y and combine it, and I'm also going to add 3 at the same time. Do 2 steps here. In essence, I'm doing that because I want this 1/5 y to be left on its own. 2y minus 3y is a negative y. Negative 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Now what I can do to this whole problem is multiply by 5, because I want that 1/5 y to become just y. But make sure that you distribute that to all of your terms. So I have a negative 5y plus 10, again once I distribute that 5, equals just y. Now I can combine some terms again. I'm going to add 5y to both sides. So I have 10 equals y plus 5y is 6y. I'm going to divide by 6 on both sides. Kind of flipping this around to get y equals 10/6, just close to my answer. I need to simplify this by dividing by 2. And so I have 5/3. So y equals 5/3.